Hello Year 1 and welcome to our maths lesson this week. The first lesson we're going to be looking at is comparing length and height. We haven't done that yet this year, so let's get cracking. Firstly, we're going to have our little starter counting from 0 all the way to 20 and back again. Right, so we'll do a full one starting from 0, then we'll clap our hands. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Super, and we're going to go backwards from 20 just to 10. We'll stop at 10 and let's do shooting stars. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Well done, let's tap our knees and count from 10 to 20. Remember, one tap, one number. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. If you'd like to do some more counting, pause this video and off you go. Let's continue. Bit of a recap then. How many base 10, or what can you see? How many does this represent? How many sticks of 10? How many ones? Well done, we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 16 looks like that. Don't forget that a stick is worth 1 10. There are 10 cubes stacked on top of each other, and that is 1 10. What about this one? 10, 11, 12, 13. Well done. And how do we write 13? What does 13 look like? There we go, a 1 and a 3. And lastly, how many here? And you should have got this answer. What number is that? 15. Well done. Let's crack on. Right, so today we've got some new words that we're going to be learning, and you might already know these words, but we've not used them in maths before. So we've got tall and we've got short. So tall, have a think if somebody is taller than you. When you are stood up, your mum or your dad will be taller than you, and you are short. And when we talk about tall, we're talking about how high someone is, which is the height. When we are talking about how long something is, that's when we're talking about the length. So for an example, if you was to lay on the floor, we could see how long you are, but if you stand up, we can see how tall you are, because tall is height and short and long is length. Okay, pause this video and your adult can explain a little bit more if you don't understand. So let's have a look. We have got some blue cubes and we have got some green cubes. How many blue cubes do we have? 3, well done. How many green cubes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 3 blue cubes and 6 green cubes. And it says the something tower is taller and the something tower is shorter. So which tower is shorter? The blue tower, well done. That is shorter. It's only got 3 cubes, so it's shorter than the green tower. So which tower is taller? The green tower is taller, well done. The green tower is taller. The blue tower is shorter. So let's have a look at the height of these then. Who is shorter? Look at these 2 pigs. Which pig is shorter? See if you got it right. Well done. And who is shorter here? The man or the lady? Well done. He's a bit shorter, isn't he? He's not as tall as the doctor. Again, who or which is taller? So we've got some cubes there, we've got some blue ones and some purple ones. Which tower is the tallest? Point to it. Fantastic. Which lighthouse is the tallest here? Point to it. Fantastic. We're getting the hang of this. Right, now we're going to compare the length, which is shorter. So not the tallest now, the shortest. Which one? Also the length, so they're laid down. The other ones was height because they were stood up tall. The length is laid down flat. So now we're going to compare the length, which is shorter. The red spade or the green spade? I mean the blue spade. The red spade or the blue spade? Well done, the red spade is the shortest. What about these two logs? Which log is shorter? Give it a point. Well done, that log is shorter. We can see the log below is just longer underneath. Right, have a look at these toothbrushes. Which is longer and which is shorter? Talk to the adult in the room. Have a little chat. Which is longer, which is shorter? Let's have a look then. So the something toothbrush is longer. Which one is longer? Okay, and which one do you think is shorter? So the blue toothbrush is longer, well done. And the brown toothbrush is shorter, well done. Right, so we need to choose a word to complete these sentences. So we've got the word taller along the bottom and we've got the word shorter along the bottom. And it says the pig is something than the chick. So point to the pig, point to the chick. Is the pig taller than the chick or is the pig shorter than the chick? Well done, the pig is taller than the chick. What about the one below then? The cat is something than the pig. The cat is taller than the pig or the cat is shorter than the pig? Well done, the cat is shorter than the pig. Right, now we need to tick the sentence, but we can't tick it, it's not in front of us, so you're just going to have a think about it and point to the sentence that is correct. So we've got the red line along the bottom, which is C. We've got the green line in the middle, which is B. And we've got the blue line at the top, which is A. And it says C, so the pink red line is longer than A, which is the blue line. So is the red line longer than the blue line? Thumbs up if you think it is. And then we've got another sentence, B, which is the green one. The green one is shorter than C, which is the pink one. So is the green line shorter than the pink line? No, it's not, is it? So the first sentence must be the one that's correct. The red line is longer than the blue line. And that is the sentence that needs a big tick in that box. Right, now we need to put these in order from shortest to tallest. So we've got three goats. Which one is the shortest? Which one is the next shortest? And which one is the tallest? Let's have a look. So the line goes up. The first one that it hits is the baby goat. So the baby goat is the shortest. He needs to go over there. Let's have a look which one out of the next two. Which one is the next shortest? Oh, and it stops there at medium goat. Medium goat goes into the middle. And then the tallest goat is at the end. Daddy goat. Big thumbs up if you got that right. Well done. Right, now I want you to pause the video, talk to the person in the room with you and come up with how many different sentences that you can come up with to compare the animals. Okay, so look at these animals. We've got a horse, a giraffe, a turtle, a little chick and a cat. And we've got those words at the top, taller and shorter. So think of how many sentences you can come up with to compare these animals. So I will give you an example. The giraffe is taller than the horse. The chick is shorter than the giraffe. Or the cat is taller than the turtle. The turtle is shorter than the cat. So I want you to pause this video and come up with some sentences about these animals. Right then, before you go onto your worksheet, it says here, Dora's tower is shorter than Mo's. So Dora is the girl and Mo is the boy with two little bits of hair. So Dora's tower is shorter than Mo's. How could we find out? Is that true or false? How could we find out? Let's count Dora's cubes. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Let's count Mer's cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Dora has less cubes in her tower. So is her tower shorter or longer? Or taller, sorry, not longer. We're looking at height. So is Dora's tower shorter or taller? Well done, it is shorter than Mer's. Mer's is taller. So the answer is true. That is true. Dora's tower is shorter than Mer's. Right, go to your work packet and get out this worksheet for me. You are comparing length and height. You are circling taller, shorter, longer, and you are comparing some sentences, okay? Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. There's lots of other videos on YouTube if you would like to continue looking at length and height, and I will see you for tomorrow's lesson. Bye.